6 Fraunhofer institutes have succeeded in using digital printing and laser processes to individually integrate, for example, conductive paths and sensors and into components. The result? Completely new possibilities for construction and design, material savings, and the individualization of components in mass production environments. By integrating digital printing and laser technologies into existing mass production environments, the new challenges can be easily mastered in the future. Optically transparent objects such as lenses that project lettering or logos can also be produced using digital printing and laser processes. Fraunhofer IOF's digital inkjet printing process can specifically generate phase differences in optical objects. The team from Jena uses an ink consisting of an optical hybrid polymer, ORMOCER, developed by Fraunhofer ISC in Würzburg, to create individualized optics. The optical properties of the material almost come close to those of good optical glasses and can be adapted to the respective application. In addition, conductor paths and LEDs can be integrated into the optical objects. Finally, a laser can generate defined absorption areas in order to control the shadowing of scattered radiation from LEDs. With digital printing and laser processes in mass production, volume products can be individually designed to save resources and be cost-efficient right up to the unique specimen. Go beyond 4.0.